Are all people really equal? How? Equality is a cherished belief in today's world. It is considered sacred and inviolable to such an extent that any kind of discrimination, such as racial discrimination, invites almost universal opprobrium. Yet, if we look deeply, what is the basis for believing in such equality? We can clearly see that people are different, glaringly different. And the same observation is confirmed by various metrics that we use to assess people. Looks, IQ, abilities, personality, fingerprints, so forth. Then, our equality within a materialistic worldview is just a sentimental longing. A materialistic worldview holds that we are just material creatures. Or, when coupled with scientism, the claim is that we are simply machines made of meat. Machines, however, are defined by what they do. A flagship phone and a budget phone are different because they can do different things. To say that they are equal is counterfactual, as their different price tags confirm. Someone might argue that, but all phones are equal in the sense that they are phones. Similarly, all human beings are equal in the sense that they are human beings. That's fine. But what does it mean that we are all human beings? What is this shared humanity that we all have? Is it based on our biological components? Do we feel that we are all humans because we all share similar kidneys or similar digestive systems or similar water in our eye cavities? Even if someone didn't have any of those organs or they didn't have any functional abilities, we would still consider them humans. So, we impute our equality because we share human experiences. We long for safety and belonging. We all long for belonging. We resent discrimination. We seek meaning and purpose. However, all such experiences within a materialistic worldview are merely electrochemical firings of brain cells. And there is no experiencer who experiences such things. So again, there is no core experiencer who is equal in all living beings. To know what makes us all equal, we need to go beyond materialism to spirituality. The time-tested spiritual text Bhagavad-gita explains that We all are conscious beings. We are sparks of spirit. This spark of spirit animates every living being. When we thus see the spiritual essence in all living beings, then that vision fosters not just equality but also empathy. Atmopamyena sarvatra samam pashyati Arjuna sukham va yadi va dukkham sayogi paramo mataha. Thank you.